Welcome to the IPEmotion multimedia presentation. This video will demonstrate how to control your Pollin AVR-NET-IO board together with the IPEmotion data acquisition software. IPEmotion is an easy-to-use software for test and measurement applications for data recording, live data display, analysis and reporting. In this presentation we will cover the points on how to install and activate the plugin, how to configure the I/O channels of the board, how to store and analyze the data, and how to build a control interface to operate the board. I've now started IPEmotion and I open the application menu. In the options, I can check the status of my plugins. Here's a list of all the installed plugins, and the Technic Media AVR-NET-IO plugin is already installed, and I can just activate it. If you need to install more plugins, just visit our website, which gives you a list of all the plugins which are available for free. I'm now changing to the signals work area to configure the board. In the first step, I create a new system. And all I/O channels of the boards are created on the right-hand side. I select now the device in order to configure the IP address, which was changed to this one with the terminal program. In the next step, I will activate all the channels of the board so that we can build our application. IPEmotion is supporting the data recording from different systems at the same time. For this demo, I will activate also a video system so that you can see the board in operation through my webcam. For I/O configuration and scaling, you just select a channel and different tab sheets are activated. The general tab sheet can be used to change the channel name. On the scaling tab sheet, you can use the scaling calculator to change the electrical signal into engineering units or for the analog inputs. For example, the AVR board is converting 0 to 5 volt analog input signal into a value of 0 to 1023. Now I will show you how to configure the data storage. Therefore, we change to the acquisition work area where I select the store group. Then I just select all channels for data storage. If you like, you can modify the settings of the store group in the settings tab sheet and specify different data formats like CSV, diagram, Excel, Farmos, MATLAB, and so on. Now I will demonstrate how easily you can set up a controlling user interface. Therefore, we change to the view work area and I create a new screen page. After that, I will add different control and display objects from my toolbox to my graph. I add a display, an LED, a switch, a video display, as well a YT chart. I change now to the Channels tab sheet to drag and drop the channels to the objects. Multiple selection is also possible. Digital inputs to the LEDs and the digital outputs to the switches. When I activate the data storage, IPEmotion is giving you the online data presentation. A huge advantage of IPEmotion over other data acquisition products is that you have full flexibility to modify your user interface while the data storage is operating. You can change this visual element, for instance, to a bar graph or to an analog display, or back to change to a YT chart. With the switches, I can operate the digital outputs of the relay card, which is indicated by the red color of the LED. When I touch the digital inputs of the relay card, the LED indicate also the status change. Data analysis is very easy with IPEmotion. I just need to double-click on the store group and the data manager opens and gives me a tabulated overview of the stored data. With one hit to the Excel button, we can send the data out into the Excel format. You can export also the data into other formats like MATLAB, Diadem, Farmos, and so on. If you like to analyze the data within IPEmotion, just change to the analysis work area, where we can easily drag and drop the channels from the store group into the graph. We can also add the video display and show the video data. Just press the Start button and video data is now displayed together with measurement data. With the cursor, I can also move forward and backwards along my data file. We can zoom into the graph, stretch it, squeeze it, move the axis. I hope this video made you interested in operating your AVA board together with IPEmotion and the Technic Media plugin. Visit our website to get more information about the products. Thank you very much for your attention.